and welcome back to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm sharing a super simple chai latte. I've been loving this technique for chai lattes that I learned about on Instagram from Lindsay, who is Healthy Happy Home. I'll link her down below. But you just start with 2 cups of water and bring that to a boil, and we're making what she calls a chai concentrate. So you're gonna use 8 tea bags. I cannot drink caffeine, so I have to choose a decaf version. This Bengal spice is really good. It definitely has a bit of like a peppery bite to it. I also love the Stash decaf vanilla chai, and of course other brands make regular chai blends too. I just try to steer clear of the caffeine. But you throw in 8 tea bags and you allow this to steep for about 5 minutes, and then you can sweeten this if you'd like. I added about 2 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar. You could also use honey, agave, or maple syrup as your sweetener, or just leave it unsweetened depending on what type of milk you're going to add to it later. So once this is cooled down a little bit, I just cover it with plastic wrap and pop it in the fridge until I need it. First, I'm showing you an iced version. I filled my glass about halfway with crushed ice, and then I used only about 2 or 3 tablespoons of that chai concentrate and topped it off with oat milk, which I have been loving. I still drink and eat all kinds of dairy, but I love the texture of oat milk because it is just unbelievably creamy. Now, to make a hot version, I just heated up the oat milk first and then poured in a couple tablespoons of that chai concentrate, and that kind of cooled it off a little bit. On this day, I added a couple drops of vanilla extract and a sprinkling of pumpkin pie spice, which I make myself, and I will link to a recipe for that down below. It's so yummy and really important to have in your pantry this time of year. I've also been enjoying lately adding some coconut creamer to my hot chai lattes. So the sky's the limit with whatever version you want to make of these, but I just thought the technique was so easy and it always turns out delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my chai lattes today. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon with more family recipes.